Yep, here it is. We are back inside. As you can see, it's our last vlog. Spring was finally here. We woke up to a blizzard this morning. Not just a blizzard of blowing snow, and I mean the wind was blowing viciously a little bit earlier. And it was not only snow, but garbage, because today is garbage day, and there was garbage blowing all over the neighborhood. There was recycling bags and boxes and paper and you name it. It was just blowing all over the place. In general, just looking at the weather, from the past couple of days, we were supposed to have some possible rain and snow mix. There was no mention of any huge winds or anything like that. So certainly nobody would have been planning on that. Not putting their garbage out overnight. So we're back in the window. Kids are sick. Ellie has been sick since last Friday, and she has some laryngitis. So this is what we're looking at. This is kind of crazy. And just to let you guys know, we are having so many issues with our PC in the last months. Our computer is one of those ones that can't run Windows 11, and every update they do for Windows 10 programs and the operating system not only makes the operating system run slower, but the programs are not made for Windows 10 anymore, and every time I upgrade, there's another program that don't work, and that includes my games. My editors, my games, none of it will run on Windows 10 anymore. I don't know how to expect people to pay $200 or $300 for another year of updates on Windows if nothing's going to work with it. And there is not enough. Well, we do have other computers, but there is not enough hard drive space to load my games on those laptops because other things are done with those. So, yeah, we might have to find something a little different to do for a while, for content, for lives. Or maybe it'll just be a complete change altogether. But, yeah, I have a few things in mind. And just a reminder that I had this morning and yesterday. There's only 11 days left of school. It's almost summer vacation here. And yet, it's still winter. Kind of strange indeed. The school's annual spring fair is going to be happening on May 27th, which oddly enough is only about 6 weeks away. May 27th, that's just a few weeks before the end of school, which means that the Belleville After Dark will be happening very soon as well. It usually happens on the Friday before or after the fair. God, I hope the weather gets a whole lot better than it is. I know the word is that La Nina is weakening and going away sooner than they planned, which means that this weather should get better very soon. But, yeah, all up and down the East Coast, we've got cold weather. I was told in New York right now it is also snowing overnight and now. Pennsylvania, super cold and windy. Did not see no snow in Pennsylvania or hear of any, but it doesn't mean there isn't any. Definitely the Bay of Quinte where I am, right here in Ontario. Definitely snowy today. Though it was hardly 3 or 4 days ago, we had 50 and 60 degree temperatures. In fact, it felt almost like summer again. It's kind of early this morning doing this vlog. I'm still seeing, my daughter's not going to school, I'm still seeing parents taking their kids to school. And I hear the neighbors out back cleaning off their cars and talking about the weather. It is the talk because this is unusual. Even without climate change, this is unusual for Ontario this time of year. Cool, off and on, yes. Snowy, no. April showers bring me flowers. It does not freeze the buds off the trees. If you'll notice, there is no green on those trees yet. The ice storm definitely has them buds locked up tighter than a drum, so to speak. And yeah, that ice storm was just past a week now. We had an ice storm that ripped down trees and power lines, and we were without power for over 12 hours. It kind of melted away in the blink of an eye. Not forgotten, because they still haven't cleaned up the trees and stuff that's fallen down from the last storm, but certainly no more ice. This is crazy. But this snow doesn't even show on the radar that I looked at just a little bit ago. It doesn't show any precipitation at the moment. But it certainly is coming down pretty good. I mean, it's probably going to stop, but definitely nothing like they're saying on the radar. Anyway, I just wanted to get some video of this, and so here it is. Winter yuckiness is back in Ontario, at least for a day. Hopefully it warms up again tomorrow, but today, here we are, and it's on the ground. That's the funny part. We've been heating up. The ground's been warming, and all it has to do is snow a little bit. It's collecting on the ground still. Ground's still frozen, even with the heated that we've had in the past couple of days. Past week, actually, or more. Anyway, hope you give us a like and a follow. We are hoping for better weather. We are looking for a new computer. And we'll see you. Bye-bye.